Welcome to JB Technicians. Today we will talk about the auto changeover relay. This relay can be used on two main lines. One line is for the AC meter. The other line is for the generator or solar system. So let's see it. So let's open this first. Let me tell you about its points. We have to open its cover first. Here we have opened its cover. These 2 points, 1 and 2, your generator supply will come in this. And these 2 points below, this one and this one, your electric supply will come in this. And with this electric supply, you have to connect this coil to this generator. So this is the point of the coil, and this is the second point of the coil. These 2 points you can see are the points of the load of the house. That is, you will connect these 2 points to the load of the house. Okay, so now we will show you how to do it practically. Friends, these are the points of the coil we are installing. This is the point of the coil. Now, on the other side, we'll put another point. You can see the wire is cut in the middle. You'll put it at the electric supply point. You have to take the electric supply from here. From there, you'll take the connection for the coil. Now we're putting it on the other side. So this is your electric supply and coil connection. You can see both of them here. After this, we will connect one wire for solar system or generator line if you have. If any of the 2 lines are same, then you will connect it. So this is what we are installing. This is the generator's point. This is the generator's line. This is the supply. This is the generator's supply. Friends, these are our 2 lines, generator's line and grid's line. We have prepared both of them, and then we will put the loading line, the load of the house, which you have to run on this relay. So we will put that. Your load is connected. The connection of the load is very tight, and the way to do, always twist the wire and put it. This is the connection of the auto relay changeover. Here you can see the load of our house. We will start it. First, friends, I will put it. You understand the line of the KC or the line of the grid. Here you are. Yeah, man. You can see that the light is on. You can also hear the sound of the relay. After this, for example, we are connecting this wire to the generator. If your grid line fails, the relay will stop working. So if you want to switch on the generator line will be switched on. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share.